Hello viewers, I hope you guys are fine. In today's episode we will know what is online PR. So let's get started without delay. We discuss about email marketing in our last episode. Please, check the I button. Before starting today's video, we would like to inform you that if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe now. So let's start. What is online PR? Online PR or online public relations is the public relations work of communicators via available online communication channels and also communication tools. In addition to the online pages of classic media, these channels include social media, blogs, and websites. Based on the measures taken in the print sector, the possibilities and opportunities offered by online media are used and the strategies are adapted accordingly. Why online PR is important for a small business? Build on your brand identity. As mentioned earlier, digital PR helps build your brand's identity, both online and offline. By creating regular news stories and press releases from your company, your target audience and customers will soon understand that your brand has plenty to offer. This offers great insight into what your company is about and how you're a leading and authoritative voice within your industry. From showcasing your knowledge and expertise, your customers will be able to see you're ahead of your competitors. Helps manage reputation. PR helps to manage reputation. How? Let's have an idea about it. Trusted media connections are prerequisites for reputation management. For example, in your business journey, you will confront appalling situations like advertising gone wrong or unsatisfied customers hitting out on social media about how bad your product is. In times like these, media connections can help you to repair the damage through a simple press release. PR agencies provide businesses the opportunity to build such connections. Public relations is opportunistic. Your public relations communications with influencers need not always be about your business. Offering accessibility to your consumers in order to help the influencer to see how they are solving issues using your organization's services and products. Definitely, the influencer understands that you are not going to give him a consumer who is unsatisfied, yet without your support, he isn't likely to gain access. And he will have the chance to speak with your customer about your competitors and see what they are doing more broadly than only your business. Digital PR builds relationships. Creating an interesting and authentic story often builds trust and genuine relationships with the media, their readers, and key customers. If the brand is reputable and the story is strong, then stakeholders, key audiences, and more will be reading, engaging, and supporting the content. These relationships build brand loyalty. We often see our coverage do the rounds on social media, generating engagement from communities who care and are interested in the brand. So, today we know about online PR. Hope you understand all the points. If any doubts, please comment below. For next video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell button. Thank you.